Hello everyone, my name is Alex in real world. In today's video we are going to be unboxing a package from Temu. But before, like and subscribe because we are going to hit 100 subscribers. It's a package and a knife. Let's start. I'm going to try to open it and also don't destroy products inside because I really waited a long time. Whoa. Oh yeah, I ordered. This is literally destroyed. The package is destroyed. We got 7 products. This is an iPhone 13 case, which for me looks amazing. Look how this is beautiful. This case is so beautiful, so I highly recommend. This is fully functional case for iPhone. Now let's go to this, and I really don't know what this is. Oh yeah, that's knife. I don't know why I bought this dangerous product. The next product is this. This is simply golden green kitchen stuff. The next we have this mysterious product which is damaged. Oh my gosh, this is a watch. And here we are, our last product on the list. And just as it looks, amazing. This package looks so amazing that I can't really tell. This thing to cover your mouth when you're speaking. The overall package looks so amazing. This feels like you're unboxing $200, but this is only like what, 20? So yeah, the package is definitely the best from all of the shops I tried. And yeah, that's pretty it. So, you watched this video until the end and you find out that these products are amazing from Temu. If you liked my video, like and subscribe and also share, but genuinely, please subscribe to my channel because we are about to hit 100 subscribers. So, thank you everyone and see you tomorrow.